Oh, it isn't?
No.
Oh.
Can't hold on.
That's so funny. I love that.
Oh,
I just see you talking like that.
I know.
I know. Yeah, before we went to Tribute Studio, I was trying to play soccer in it. I'm like doing all these moves, but I can't see. So I'm like going like this. All of a sudden the ball goes away. I'm still like trying to like find it.
Rick, go over there by Daddy. Yes. Good.
Then pull your hands in and pull your head in.
Come on.
And then lay down on the ground.
Oh, Kyle, push her over here. She over there with Dad. Is it all blown up now?
Were you a playgirl?
Yep. This way we can see the difference. Yeah, that's cute.
Broadway kick.
Yeah, you should have put it on. Why? Was it comfortable?
Yeah.
Plenty of room in there.
You have to keep it going all night.
Yeah. Okay, Kyle, it's your turn.